Odessa has maintained a distinct small-town feel. And since it's still morning, well, let's hit up some small-town breakfast at a local favorite, Dumplins and Amigos. I'm sure I'm not alone on this, but there are times in life when I struggle about what I want for breakfast. Cowboy cooking or Mexican huevos? Well, struggle no more, because here you can have both. And this is the owner's daughter and restaurant manager, Viviana Juarez.
So is the Dumplins like the home cooking side and Amigos like the Mexican side, or
My parents took over the place about 16 years ago. So when they first took over, the place was called Dumplins. And then they added the Amigos for the Mexican food.
Well, dumplings always taste best when you eat them with your Amigos. It's just kind of how it works.
Yeah.
It's the two best parts of Texas breakfast. And for as long as anybody can remember, well, this has been the spot together with your Amigos for breakfast. Under the crystal chandelier and beside the fish. Okay, so that's a little different. But this place has small-town charm to spare. The regular coffee club often shows up well before the kitchen opens at 6 a.m. And the crowd keeps building from there.
Well, this kitchen back here is slamming. Is breakfast
Yes.
y'all's busiest time?
It's always busy. Everything's fresh made, so
Yeah, I see y'all are you're frying your own tortilla chips. You got this giant tub of salsa right here behind me.
you can have chips and salsa anytime.
I like that.
Hometown food served up with some hometown pride. That is, as long as you're an Odessa Bronco or Odessa Permian Panther. If you're from that other town that starts with a mid and ends with a land, well, you're on the wrong side of the tracks, amigo.
Is there a rivalry between Midland and Odessa?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a big deal. Everybody will wear their shirts and give you looks like, hey, you're for the wrong school.
Okay.
But it is a big deal.
High school rivalries are a Texas tradition, but good grub like this can cross any boundaries.
Oh man, this is a solid West Texas meal right here. I got what's called the half and half. So I've got asado pork and chili verde beef. Also a couple eggs, hash browns, some beans, chips, salsa, tortillas. Basically any breakfast that's served with salsa is gonna be a good breakfast. Let's get some of that in there too. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's great. I don't know how they get it so bright red, but I'm not gonna ask too many questions. That's authentic Mexican flavor right there. Real pungent and spicy. Here we go, choose your own breakfast taco adventure. Kicking off a day with a meal like this is a sign it's gonna be a very good day.
To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.